music. Most DJs won't refuse it. A lot of sucker MCs misuse it.
And it goes a little something like this. It's the hip hop, the hipper to the hipper, the hip the hopper. You don't stop the rocker to the bang bang boogie. Say up jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie beat. Now what you hear is Buddha stretch. Swagger jacking cause I'm macking for this to be fresh. Tracking lyrics like I'm UPS. On that old bullshit you never heard of me, this new BS. No nursery rhymes about crimes where I'm pretending I'm Nino Brown or some clown or co-defendant. I just spit game like Bad Bunny and them intended. More people are inspired, more people are offended. But either way, honey put the weave away. I'm not natural with a style you couldn't fuck with anyway. Conceive a play, that means please for MCs getting G's over MP3s and CDs. At ease, be easy, hot like sluts are sleazy. For sure, folks shizzle or for sheezy. My knees moving on up like Georgia Wheezy. With Jefferson's and Grants, my profession is to dance my job. You know what, and it just don't stop. Dropping the ancient manifested hip hop straight off the block, my top. You know what, and it just don't stop. Dropping the ancient manifested hip hop straight off the block.
Hey, like hip hop music, you like it cause you choose it. Most DJs won't refuse it. A lot of sucker MCs misuse it.
Yeah. You know what? Turn the beat up. I think this might end. Yeah. I'm just getting started. To show niggas why they can't stop me right now. You know why? Cause it sounds so amazing, like the sound of the voice of Marvin Gaye singing a song of choice. I'm saying niggas still find a way to hate the point you was making. Cause the beat is dangerous and the rhyme is crazy and my flow is on that new age shit. So I'm like, damn, how can they hit this? But niggas still can't relate like two kids that ain't kin. But I know the flow, it can't be stopped, maybe not. Cajun flaming hot shit. Niggas start playing like Jews with their face to the floor and praying, hoping I don't make shit. They shake when my feet start pacing the floor from back and forth. Anticipating my next lines, this torture scorching your faces. That might be a quote in the source pages, but yo, yeah. New time, new shine, man. Gotta show them the real. Tell them.
Yeah, come and fuck with your bands. Blaze up the gas, cups in your hands. Born for the crown, it's the world renowned. Came through the door and we shut shit down. Come and fuck with your bands. Blaze up the gas, cups in your hands. Born for the crown, it's the world renowned. Came